here at Dim Sum King. All right, now this is called See Chow Mein. Okay, and this is with barbecue pork, julienne or shredded barbecue pork, Chinese mushrooms, and it's more saucier than usual than what I ordered, like other types of chow mein. But this is what my mom used to order for us, and one of my faves. Yummy. All right, good. So I like to eat out of a bowl. Why did my mom used to say some seed? Okay,
some seeds, yeah, some seeds too, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Some seeds mean three kind of shredded meat.
Okay.
Barbecue pork,
Chicken.
And pork.
Okay, but then the other way you're saying yoxi is what? Is it?
You can say some seed,
Some seed.
Yoxi, yeah.
When yoxi is
Yoxi is some seed, same.
say
Usually people say yoxi.
yoxi,
Yeah,
and then
yoxi,
what
some
dialect
seed,
is that
some
one?
seed.
Cantonese.
See, it's my
Some
son.
seed, yeah, that's right, yeah. Some seed, same.
Some seed. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. All right. Some seed. Oh man. So it's pork, chicken. Some is meaning three. So counting in Chinese, yi nghe some say look tet but gyo sup. I'm just counting to 10. So, but it's some is three. So three meats, he said, or three things, you know. So. I haven't had this in ages. Just like how I remember. So good. Some seafood. So I usually order the Cantonese style chow mein, but it's a mix of seafood, like shrimp, squid, chicken, mushrooms, I think, and vegetables, bok choy. But I don't eat it all like seafood. I don't do squid and that sort of thing, so it's a waste. If I was ordering a family that eats that, then that's fine, but I stopped ordering the Cantonese style chow mein. I love the sauce that they make. It's good. Love the sauce in this. It's so good. Take your bite. Yum. I think it's one of the cheaper ones, like chow meins on the menu. Shredded chicken and pork in here. Take your bite. Yum. So gao. Oh yeah, hot gao. Ha means shrimp. Ha means shrimp, I think. Ha gao. Now this is, there's a difference for sure than what I had earlier. Yeah. Take your bite. Yeah, you can use sauce. You can use it if you want. I don't mind without it.
Sticky right?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Good. I'm having one of each of everything. So my take your bite. What a difference. Yeah, the other, no, they were way off. Steamed barbecue pork bun. Steamed barbecue pork bun. My fave. All of these are my fave. Yum. Look at that. Pillowy, soft. So good. I don't know, I keep saying so good because it is so good. Fresh, soft. Mmm. 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 Ooh, look at that. Take your bite. Yum. It's good to know that I can get the See Chow Mein here. I've been looking around for it. Next up is the stir-fry sticky rice. Look at that. Yum. Now there will be the dry shrimps in here. I'm not a fan of the dry shrimp, but it's good for flavor. They're dehydrated dry shrimp. They're different. They're a bit, I don't know. It does add flavor. I can't pick them all out. Good. Good. Okay. The texture of it being sticky. Take the onions, the green onions, even though I'm not a fan of the green onions, but it's there, I can't pick them all out. But it's chopped up really fine, but the flavor of that really stands out. So good. Take your bite. I'm tasting some cilantro or parsley. Is that the same thing? But more, I think it's cilantro. Nice change. Never taste that in sticky rice. Good. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, see this cilantro. Cilantro's here. It's good. So good. Yummy. There's I think barbecue pork in here as well, and Chinese sausage, lapchang. Very good. Yeah. Okay. One last thing I have is the ham sui gok. It's just like what do they call this? Like a minced meat, deep fried minced meat or something like that. It's quite popular. It's a sweet and savory one. Family's favorite. Can't get enough of it. Let me just look at the menu. How they word it. Might have one more bowl of the noodles. Deep fried meat and shrimp dumpling. That's what it's called. Yeah, deep fried dumpling. All right. So. You can use the chopstick, or you can use your fingers. You probably have to. But yeah, so and it's crispy on the outside, chewy like the inside, and then you get the. So the dough part of it is on a little bit on the sweet side with a savory, sweet and savory, and then of course you get more savory when you get into the meat. Sometimes I'll put like a little dab of sriracha, but I don't feel like it today. I want to taste all the flavors, Once you add stuff, that's all you taste. If you're gonna add soy sauce, that's all you really taste is soy sauce. So that's the meat. Sorry. And then this part, the dough, it's chewy, and then it's crispy on the outside. Sweet and savory. Very good. Take your bite. Yum. So, if you live in Toronto or visiting, come downtown Toronto, Dim Sum King, and check them out. They have a dinner menu. It's not just dim sum. You can get other regular dishes here. Oh yeah, yeah. Shameless plug. Check out the live stream, replay, unedited video.